everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you apply for Zara returns. In order to apply for Zara return, you must initiate the return within 30 days of the shipping date for online orders or the purchase date for in-store buys. Now, all items must be in their original conditions with label attached as well. You can return both online and in-store purchase at any Zara store in the same region where the purchase was made. What you want to do is you could simply, if you are going with an in-store, you have to bring your item and your Zara QR code that is found under your app or purchase. You just want to go to account and there you have purchase and you want to go to in-store. Once you do this, you will be able to see the QR code. Some reasons require or online order prepaid at the store till to be returned specifically for a physical store. And this way you're supposed to return an item. And if you want to do it online, you just want to go to the online section, find the particular product that you wish to return and look for the options as return or help, and that is how you are supposed to apply for Zara returns. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.